In this video, I'm going to go over my swap portfolio for the week or for the last couple of weeks, but I'm going to start right from the beginning where I began to do this August 4th, 2021. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, we originally called this Shiba and Friends portfolio back on August 4th, and this is what I started with. This is what I had in the beginning of $24,000 in value. And then we went over to August 25th. It was $32,000 in value, but I started to add more as we went forward with SafeMoon, Everwatch, and Fake Token. Now, I owned these a while back, but I just added these to my portfolio each and every single time. Man, look at some of these prices. Woo! Some of these prices are definitely less than it is today. Then we go over to September 2nd, I basically continue having the same amount of tokens, but then the revenue continued to increase just a little bit. Now I'm adding in the tokenomics, as you see. The tokenomics has been added in there. Look at the price of Leash, $943. I'll show you what the price of Leash is today. And look at the price of Saitama. Woo! How many zeros is that? That's 8 zeros. So let's continue this $33,000 in value. Now, September 9th, we have a revenue of $34,876. But then we added in the increase and decrease amount and the tokens that we're earning from one day from the last time we did the actually update. So Shiba was up here, and we have Bone, Lee, Saitama, KISHU, Ryoshi Vision, SafeMoon, Everwatch, and Fake Token. So $34,000. It's adding in very slowly. 32, 33, 34. Then this is where we start to really increase. September 17th. And we added in Baby Doge into the portfolio. The swap portfolio. The reason why I call it swap portfolio, because all these assets that you see here, we got it from some type of a swap. Pancake swap, Shiba swap, Uniswap, Sushi swap, a swap. So we just call it a swap portfolio. So $43,000 in revenue, and now you're seeing an increase from 25,000. In fact, that's minus 25,000 from the previous update. So let me go and continue this. Now, September 27th, the revenue amount is increasing, $59,000. Now, one thing I need to add into this portfolio is the actually how much I invested it in when I first started out. So I'm going to actually add that in on my next update, at least to the most latest one. I'll show you my latest one. But this is the revenue now, $59,000 is what we had there. We continue to grow and we continue to hodl and do some little swapping as well. Total revenue, $77,000 on October 6th. So now we're getting a little bit higher. And then that's when it starts to happen. We broke over $100,000, $114,000 in revenue. Most of that is profit. I'll be honest with you. Most of that is profit. I do need to add in the number of how much I invested in each and every single one of these assets. I'll definitely do that in the next update. So $36,000 was the difference from the last update. Then on October 17th, $119,000. Woo-wee. That's a $5,000 increase in about, 4 days? Not too bad. And what's leading the charge is Saitama with $49,000 and Shiba $28,000. Okay, this is where we are right now. October 31st. We're at $391,000. Most of that, I'm going to tell you, is profit. So what's leading the charge is Saitama, Shiba, KISHU, and KISHU. In my opinion, I do think Mononoke, Baby Doge, SafeMoon, and Ryoshi Vision is just right there along with Bone and Leash. This is a swap portfolio on ones that I do like. I don't own every single thing in terms of out there in terms of the swap that you can swap for, but we do have $391,000. And these are the tokens that we earn or subtracted or purchased from the last update on October 17th. Now, from KISHU that you see here, we made a trade. Basically, we took 2 trillion of our KISHU and we swapped it for about 20 trillion KISHU, and that move seems to be working out very well because we do have a profit of that KISHU that we swapped for. But leading this chart is Saitama, and Saitama, I believe, will knock off of zeros in the next 10 days, in my opinion. I do believe Shiba has a chance of knocking off a zero in the next 15 days based off my research, maybe 15-20 days within that time frame, which meaning the swap portfolio will continue to go up. Now, what I'm going to do next is probably, like I said before, I need to add in how much I invested in here if I can get a clear picture exactly what the total investment in terms of the profit is. But $391,000 is not bad at all. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.